Google has a new way to pay with your Android device. It's called Google Pay, and it replaces the Android Pay and Google Wallet apps. You can use your phone to pay at tap and go terminals in stores exactly the same way as Android Pay, and your real card number is never disclosed to the merchant. To get started, update the app from the Google Play Store, add credit or debit cards to your virtual wallet, and select which one to use when you're making a transaction. Recent purchases will appear on the home screen, while loyalty or gift cards you add are found in the Cards tab. You can also see what stores nearby accept Google Pay if you turn on location services. Some apps like Airbnb or Postmates work with Google Pay, so you don't have to enter your credit card details manually when you check out. Soon you'll be able to send and request money between friends. It's the same feature brought over from Google Wallet. Apple users have a similar feature called Apple Pay Cash, while other peer-to-peer apps like Venmo and Zelle work across Apple and Android phones. In San Francisco, I'm Lexi Savides with CNET for CBS News.